This is how to earn free Bitcoin. Let's define Bitcoin first for the sake of those who didn't know what it is. So Bitcoin, often described as a cryptocurrency, is a virtual or digital currency. It's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services. Moreover, many shops accept Bitcoin as payment. People can send Bitcoins to your digital wallet, and you can send Bitcoins to other people as well. There are three main ways people get Bitcoins. First, you can buy Bitcoins using real money. Second, you can sell things and let people pay you with Bitcoins. And lastly, they can be created using a phone or a computer, which is known as Bitcoin mining. And that's what we will be focusing in this video. All of the different apps we are going to cover today are completely beginner friendly, and they are free to use. So you don't have to be an expert in cryptocurrency in order to make some profits with them. And as long as you have an internet connection and a mobile phone, you are able to use all of these apps. I'm also going to show you the most efficient way that you can make use of these apps. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now, the first website we need to make use of is called Coinbase.com. And we're going to use it for two main purposes. First, Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet that you can set up in order to collect your Bitcoin from all the other websites or apps that we are going to use today. And if you want to do that, it is completely free. And all it takes is clicking on this button, Get Started. And once you click on that, you will be redirected to a new page where you can enter your first name, last name, email address, and also a password, but make sure that the email you enter is valid, and you actually have access to that because they will send you a verification link that you have to click on. So that is really important in order to set up your Bitcoin wallet. Now it doesn't have to be specifically on Coinbase.com. You can set up your Bitcoin wallet on any other websites, but you need to have one in order to collect your earnings. And once you finish doing so, we can move on to the second reason why we are using Coinbase.com today. If you take a look here on their homepage, you can see that they will give you a bonus of $167. And let's click on that and see what it's all about. Basically, they ask you to learn about all of these new cryptocurrencies, and they are willing to pay you for that. So if you started these courses and actually finish them, you will get rewarded. And the best part is that you can use your mobile phone to use Coinbase.com and learn about all of these new cryptocurrencies and get that bonus. And once you're done with that, once you have collected your $167 bonus and set up your Bitcoin wallet, we can move on to the second app that we are going to use in order to make free Bitcoin in 2021. So moving on to the second app is Cryptobrowser.site. And it is available for both Android and iOS devices. This is one of my personal favorite because the thing I absolutely love about this app is the fact that you can make passive income using it. You don't have to be actively involved in the process because this is basically a Bitcoin miner. That means that if you get this browser on your mobile phone or on your computer, you can let it run in the background. It will use some of your computer's or smartphone's resources. Nevertheless, it will generate Bitcoin for you automatically. That means you don't have to complete any surveys, you don't have to watch ads, you don't have to complete any micro tasks in order to get some profits. You can just leave it there, let it do its thing in the background, and that will generate Bitcoin for you. Now this browser is very similar to Google Chrome. If you actually use it, you will notice that it looks very similar, it feels the same way, and it uses the same extensions. So you can do the things you would normally do on Google Chrome on this browser. And all you have to do in order to start earning is install this app on your mobile phone. And as I've said earlier, you can get it on both Android and iOS devices. So it doesn't matter which operating system you're using because these browser will still allow you to make some profits. Let's actually click on this Google Play icon. And this is how the app is going to look like. Now you can get the basic version for absolutely free, or you can also get the Pro version. But I don't recommend you get the Pro version just yet. Because if you're just starting out, you don't have money to invest in this method, you can use the free one and still make some profits. And after you've done so, after you have earned some money, you can actually reinvest it to get even more profits. But I will leave that up to you. For now, this video is aimed at beginners who are just starting out. So I want you to get the free version from Google Play. Moreover, I do recommend you install it on your computer as well and replace the browser you currently using, because that will maximize your earnings and give you even more profits. You don't have to, but if you wish to, you are free to do so. You can let Cryptobrowser run in the background while you're using all the other apps. That is the main advantage of this app. And that is why I wanted to point this out, as this is pure passive income, because you can earn that without your involvement while using all the other apps that are generating active income. Now, moving on to the third app is featurepoints.com. And you can get it on both iOS and Android devices as well, which is a huge advantage. Now they have paid their users $5.8 million since 2012. They have been in the business for quite some time. From my experience, they always pay their users their due money. And this is a reputable app. First of all, you will have to complete some micro tasks in order to get points that you can later on redeem and turn into actual money. So you will be able to complete surveys, earn cashbacks when you shop at one of their partner stores. There is a unique feature in this app that I wanted to point out, because very few apps actually have this, which is getting points for just downloading apps. As you can see here, you are going to download certain apps on your mobile phone. And once your balance hits a certain threshold, you should be able to redeem your money. They have PayPal available as a withdrawal option. You can also get an Amazon gift card. But most importantly, you can get your rewards in Bitcoins, so they will send your money straight into your Bitcoin wallet. They also have decent commission for your referrals. So if you refer one of your friends and they start making points on this app, you will also get 50% out of that. That means that you can definitely leverage this method and maximize your profits by referring your friends or referring other people that are interested in making money online. Now you can sign up on this website by entering your email address here, or you can click on one of these two buttons and download this app on your phone and sign up there. Up next, we have our fourth app, which is Sweetcoin. This app allows you to earn cryptocurrency but not Bitcoin. It is because they have their own cryptocurrency, which is called Sweetcoin. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of that and what you need to do in order to earn it. As you can see here, this is available for both iOS and Android devices. Now, this app pays you to walk. That's exactly what you need to do in order to earn money with this app, nothing more and nothing less. They are going to pay you for each step that you take throughout the whole day. And this app is perfect for you, especially if you're an active person. But now the interesting part is that Sweetcoin alone doesn't really have value, and you cannot convert this into US dollars or Bitcoin or anything of that sort. However, in order to take advantage of your balance, you have to purchase certain items from their partners' stores. Nevertheless, they have partnered up with hundreds of different businesses. So you can choose and purchase from different sorts of items using your Sweetcoins. As you can see here, you can purchase goods, services and experiences ranging from high-tech shoes to iPhones, from anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple Watches. So they have a lot of different partners that are willing to trade their items for Sweetcoin. They've got over 300 different partners. And that gives you a wide range of products that you can purchase. And last but definitely not the least, here are the 6th and 7th apps on the list, which are very similar in concept. These are mobile games that we can play in order to earn extra money. The first app is called Blockchain Game, while the second one is called Alien Run. You can find them both on Google Play. Now remember, you are trading your time for money with these. And depending on how much time you have on your hand, you may be profitable or not, but I suggest you give these apps a try and see how much money you're able to generate. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.